the world. On behalf of Center for Roma Studies and Cultural Relations, Antarashtriya Sahyog Parishad, I am very happy to welcome you all and thank you all for participating in 32nd monthly lecture organized by this center. This center was set up almost 3 years back to understand better our Roma brothers spread across the world and also to create awareness about them in India. We have been able to achieve a lot in this objective through the newsletters which we circulate every month and through these monthly lectures which we organize every month. In this monthly lecture, we not only understand how our Roma brothers are across the world, but also understand the specific challenges and the issues which they have in different parts of the world. We had such lectures for various countries and also on various issues, which will make us understand them better. We are all aware about the historical discrimination and problems which this community has faced across the world. Majority of them are in Europe, and the suffering has been the maximum in that part of the world. In our previous lectures, we did learn about the slavery system which existed in Romania and about issues which they faced in countries like Bulgaria or even in Turkey, which is not in EU, but there are big numbers of Roma in Turkey. The issue of anti-Gypsyism is very important and we need to combat that. That has been the main focus of the EU Roma strategic framework for the inclusion and participation of Roma in the mainstream society. This has been a focus point in that, but unfortunately, not much has been achieved in ensuring or fight against success in the fight against anti-Gypsyism. We have seen this anti-Gypsyism had been in a big way during the COVID pandemic and also during the Ukraine war when the refugees of Roma origin were coming into Europe. They faced a lot of problems because of being Roma. So we have to really find ways and impress upon the communities in Europe and across the world that they should treat Roma brothers and sisters as equals. So equality of the community is a common goal. And today's lecture, we have a prominent speaker who is a lawyer, writer, author, and her name is Miss Safra Vargas Martin. And the topic of her lecture is the persistence of anti-Gitanism or anti-Gypsyism in the Spanish system. What we understand that through this EU Roma strategic framework, there have been various guidelines issued to the member states to undertake certain activities or certain projects to do the needful. In some countries, there have been success, but the success has not been of the level which is desired by them. And in other countries, there hasn't been done much. So we'll be happy to hear from today's lecture what is the situation in Spain, whether this framework for combating against anti-Gypsyism has been successful and the level of success. So now I'll request our research scholar, Mr. Jameer Anwar, to introduce the topic and also introduce the speaker. Jameer, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much, sir. You already said the background for today's lecture. You explained the situations and you also talked about the center. Thank you very much. And hello, everyone, and welcome to today's lecture on the subject of persistence of anti-Gitanism and anti-Gypsism in Spanish system. And today we have a very eminent speaker, and Miss Sephora Vargas Martin. And as Sir mentioned, she is a lawyer, writer, and author. She authored the two books, the very important books, like History of the Gypsy People of Dummies, The Survival of Some Silenced Heroes. And her another important book is The Price of Freedom, What It Cost Some Gypsy Women to Be Free. So these books are available even on Amazon and another websites as well. And she is currently the member of the Municipal Council of the Gypsy People of Seville City Council. And she is also the president of the organization called uh, APRODIG Association. And that center aims at uh, promoting economic development of the Roma Gypsy people. Since 2012, she has been the president of this organization. And she has been working extensively on defending uh, the rights of Roma Gypsy people and the female workers, especially the Romani female workers who are more vulnerable in the mainstream societies. So she has been working for them, especially in the context of itinerant trade. And also she also played a very crucial role. When I was going through her the works profile, I came across that she also played a very imperative role during the state of emergency caused by pandemic, like the COVID-19 pandemic. And she advised she convinced the Andalusian government to consider this itinerant trade as an essential activity during the pandemic. So she has been human rights activist, and she has been working for the Romani women. And now, as the topic, which is very important, as our chairperson also mentioned about we had 31 lectures so far, and those lectures explored and addressed the different aspects of the Roma community, whether it's a slavery in Romania or Transylvania, or like the anti-Gypsism in another European countries, or their socioeconomic conditions and the cultural linkage with India and all. So now, a bit brief, I would like to shine some light on the historical background of anti-Gitanism and anti-Gypsism, especially in Spain. So this phenomena is not new. That goes long back. That predates in the 15th century, and especially when the first Spanish legislation came about in 1560 that forbade the Gitanos for traveling in groups more than 2 or 3. And that law also prohibited the gypsy way of dressing and clothing. So if they found guilty, and so the punishment is like more than 18 years. They sent to the galleys for those who are above the 14 years age. And uh, in 17th century also, the Spanish legislation became harsher and more um, more draconian, and that legislation forbids gitanos or gypsy people from dealing in horses. So that was the primary the source of livelihood in Spain at that time. So they were also prohibited from dealing in horses. Local population is given the permission to form the groups to pursue the Gitanos. So in another word, that those who are found guilty in dealing in or trading in horses, they were meted out the severe punishment. And then after the number of the legislations and laws were introduced, or to uh, uh, against the Roma and Gitano in Spain. And 1611, that's another law, another legislations that orders that all Gitanos' occupations must be connected to land. That was against their nature, because they were itinerant trader. So their itinerant trading were completely prohibited. And then after Phillips III in 1619, I think he declared the another law that's the banishing the Gitanos from the Kingdom of Spain within 6 months. Those who were residing and those who were present in the Kingdom of Spain, they were forced to leave the kingdom within 6 months, or settle in a locality with over 1,000 inhabitants. So these were and in 18th century, that's the Gitano in Spain were forbidden to appeal against the sentences. If they found that these sentences, these punishments uh, were against the natural justice, so they didn't have a right to appeal against their sentences in the courts. So they were even prohibited to getting access to the court or justice system of Spain. So and then after the 1745, the Gitanos in Spain, they were forced to settle in assigned places so that their, the fonting and they could be monitored closely. And then after the very harsh, I can say that the operation, that is the Gypsy Roundup operation in 1749, that was introduced by the Ferdinand VI in 1749. So that operation led to the internment of the over 12,000 Romani people, including men and women, young and old. So because they were considered as a socially dangerous the community in Spain. So they were faced with there means all sort of persecutions and tyranny and operations in Spain since the 15th century. So, and even that is the that has the that has set the roadmap for the systematic discrimination and a systematic alienation and exclusion of Gitanos and Roma from the mainstream society of Spain. So um, there were even there were the criteria to distinguish bad and good Gitanos, those who were found the bad, and that criteria was a quite the visible. I found it. So in 18th century, especially the last quarter of 18th century, the Spanish legislation reiterates the previous order, all those previous since the 15th century legislations. If they found they dressed in a way, the gypsy dressed, their way of life, their language, these were the completely crumbled upon. That these were put down by the authorities. And the more interestingly, even the church even the church remained reluctant and phlegmatic in the face of such kind of excessive injustice against the Roma community. But now the situation changed, and today we have the very eminent speaker and the expert who is a lawyer and who her expertise are in the human rights and all sort of the violations and transgressions of fundamental rights of the Gitanos in Spain. So without any delay, we would like to hear or listen to our speakers who can give us the precise situations and conditions of Roma Gitanos in Spain at present time. So that I end my the speech here. So now I request our chairperson, Rajesh Sachdeva sir, to kindly proceed the lecture. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Jami, for this introduction about the topic and the speaker. Now I would request Shri Shyam Parandeji, who is the Secretary General of the Antarashtriya Sahyog Parishad, for the welcome address. Shyamji, the floor is yours.
Yeah. Thank you, Ambassador Rajesh ji. And I was listening to both yours and Jamir ji's introduction and to the topic, and I felt that the introduction to the topic was longer than the lecture itself. Anyway, having said that, I would like to welcome all the audience. Not getting the voice? Is it?
Yes, sir. We are
No.
listening to you.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
are audible.
Yeah, I'm audible. That's fine. So I welcome everybody, and I'm glad that this is the 32nd lecture, monthly lecture that we are holding. The Center for Roma Studies and Cultural Relations. I like to congratulate for this achievement without a break, 32 months. Having one focused lecture every month is a great achievement. And I congratulate Ambassador Sachdeva and the team for the consistency of these lectures. And I'm also glad the speakers who have contributed in these lectures have been extraordinary. They have delivered lectures, shared their ideas, their knowledge, their expertise on Roma issues from across the world, many countries represented. Antarashtriya Sahyog Parishad is glad that we will be holding a conference later this year and would like to invite some of the experts to that conference. That might coincide with inauguration of a Roma memorial in Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh, the largest state of India. Antarashtriya Sahyog Parishad heads the Roma connectivity, and they're also involved in their development. Like one of our partner organizations is now engaged in educating Roma students in English, in Hindi, in mathematics, and information technological basics. This is what we are doing for the Roma community, and it's all voluntary. Most of our partners are voluntary, yet work and dedicate their regular time for Roma studies and connectivity. So ARSP and CRSCR diligently works on Roma issues, and somebody asked whether the Roma community can have some arrangement or some status like Indian diaspora. I would like to state here that it might take some more time. And the studies in this part of the world, in India especially, lacks a little, and unless and until we have scholars, universities, research scholars, PhD scholars, all joining hands, to create some pressure, what status government of India can provide to the Roma community has to be decided. And we like to create that awareness in the society amongst the academicians, amongst the scholars, and there should be enough of literature supported by factual evidences of the migration and their present status across Europe, where they are located in many countries. Today we are going to listen about the story of Spain, Romas in Spain. Of course, some aspects might get highlighted and some not, but this is how we are going to create awareness in India also. And I welcome today's speaker, Ms. Sephora Vargas Martin, a well-known name in Roma area, especially for Spain. With that, I welcome again all the participants and the speaker, and I expect that we'll have a great time today. Thank you and Dhanyavad, Namaskar.
Thank you, Shyamji, for the welcome address. Now, I'll request our speaker, Ms. Sephora Vargas Martin, to take the floor and on the topic, the persistence of anti-Gitanism in the Spanish system. Ms. Sephora, the floor is yours.
You can unmute yourself, please.
Can you hear us now?
Yes.
Okay.
Buenas tardes a todos.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Es un verdadero placer y un orgullo
It's an honor and I'm very happy
participar en este ciclo de conferencias tan importantes.
to participate in this cycle of conferences.
También es una responsabilidad para mí muy grande.
It's also a great responsibility for me.
Cada palabra que yo diga aquí.
Every word that I share with you.
Gracias por la introducción,
Thank you for the introduction,
por la presentación
for the
y
presentation,
por la amabilidad de contar conmigo.
and for counting on me for this moment.
El tema de mi conferencia,
The theme of my conference,
la persistencia del antigitanismo en el Estado español,
the persistence of anti-Gypsyism anti-Gypsy in the state of Spain.
como todos sabéis, es una constante.
As many of you know, this is a constant.
Llevamos, como muy bien habéis dicho, casi 6 siglos.
We have up to 600 years.
6 siglos, 600 años de persecuciones
Of
sistemáticas.
systematic persecution.
Desde que se aprobó la primera ley antigitana
Since the first law, anti-Gypsyism law,
en 1499
was passed in 1499
por los conocidos y famosos reyes católicos,
by the Spanish Catholics,
el pueblo,
kings.
perdón, el pueblo gitano fue considerado
The Gypsy people was considered
como un estorbo
as a problem
a la política
to the political
de unificación
to the policy of the intent to unify the kingdom
de todos los reyes que
of
había en ese momento.
all the kings that were there at that time.
Entonces, se creó, se criminalizó, se penalizó la identidad gitana.
The Gypsy identity was criminalized
Hasta tal punto
to the point
que absolutamente todas las señas de identidad del pueblo gitano
that all the signs and characteristics of the Gypsy people
fueron consideradas un delito.
were considered unlawful.
Un delito que era gravemente penado,
It was
sancionado,
these were sanctioned.
como bien habéis dicho, con latigazos, azotes,
Many of the Gypsy people were slaughtered.
marcas con fuego candente en el
They
cuerpo,
were marked with fire, with those marks on your bodies.
se nos prohibió
That was prohibited.
toda seña de identidad,
All signs of our identity,
toda manifestación cultural
any cultural manifestation,
y como elemento más importante,
and one of the most important elements,
nuestra propia lengua.
our own language.
El pueblo gitano de España
The Gypsy people of Spain,
somos los únicos gitanos del mundo
we are the only Gypsy people in the world
que no hablamos nuestra lengua.
that do not speak our own language.
La perdimos
We lost them
por culpa de las pragmáticas, de las leyes.
due to all the laws that were passed.
Los castigos eran atroces.
The punishments were horrific.
Después, en la época del expansionismo
In the-
colonial,
In the era of expansionism, colonial expansionism,
hacía falta mano de obra esclava.
there was a need of workers.
Por lo tanto, el pueblo gitano
Therefore, the Gypsy people,
era el grupo de personas más adecuado
they were the most adequate people
para usarlos.
to be used.
Tenían una función utilitarista
They were seen with a utilitarian attitude,
y empezaron a crearse leyes
and there started to approve laws
que tenían esa finalidad,
that had that purpose.
como fue la conocida ley de la pena de galeras.
And one example of that law is the pena de galeras.
Ujú. También se producían muchas redadas.
There was a lot of gatherings,
Exacto. Y hay redadas muy famosas
and there are famous gatherings
donde cogían a todos los gitanos que se encontraban por el campo
where they would gather all the gypsies that were found in a certain,
y se lo llevaban de forma forzosa a
and they would
trabajar.
take them forcefully to work.
De hecho, esa fue una de las formas
That was one of the means
en la que llegaron los gitanos al territorio americano, a
that
Estados
many of the
Unidos.
gypsies arrived to the United States.
En el tercer viaje de Cristóbal Colón,
In the third trip of Christopher Columbus,
se conmutó la pena de muerte, se cambió la pena de
there
muerte
was a change in the death penalty
con el viaje forzoso del trabajo
with it was exchanged. The death penalty was exchanged with forced work in the other countries, in the other spaces.
y uno de los episodios más graves de la historia de España que
And-
no se cuenta
And one of the episodes in the history of gypsies that is not commonly taught
es, como bien has mencionado, la Gran Redada de 1749.
is a 1749, which has been mentioned previously, the Great Gathering.
Es lo que se conoce como el intento de genocidio biológico.
This had a genocide intent, biological intent,
Se intentó y se
exterminate
separó,
gypsy people.
se separó a los hombres de las mujeres,
Men and women were separated,
incluidos los niños.
including children.
Los niños mayores de 7 años se fueron con sus padres.
The children that were 7 and above would go with their parents,
Los menores de 7 se iban con sus madres.
with their father, I'm sorry, and then the 7 and below with the mother.
Fueron separados,
They were separated,
rotas las familias,
families were broken,
para que no pudieran seguir procreando,
so they could not continue to
para
procreate,
que no pudieran reproducirse.
so they wouldn't reproduce.
Porque la intención era exterminar al pueblo
Because the
gitano.
purpose was to exterminate the gypsy people
Así que quitaron todas sus posesiones, todos sus bienes
and all gypsies and all their goods,
y estuvieron obligados a realizar trabajo forzoso durante muchos años.
and for many years they were put in a situation of forced labor.
La liberación fue progresiva.
The liberation and freedom was progressive.
Muchos estuvieron presos muchos años.
Many were incarcerated for many years.
Algunos estuvieron 16 años
Many were during 60 years,
otros 32,
others 32.
cuya única pena, el único delito cometido
And the only thing that they actually did wrong
era ser gitano.
was be a gypsy.
Sabemos que esta es una situación que se ha repetido a lo largo del mundo.
This is a history that has repeated throughout the world.
Cuando yo comencé a estudiar sobre la historia del pueblo gitano
When I began to study the gypsy history
en otros territorios fuera de España,
in other territories outside of Spain,
yo pensaba que España era el peor escenario.
I thought that Spain was the worst scenery.
Sin embargo, me sorprendió mucho saber
But I was really surprised to know
que vivieron una situación parecida en Reino Unido,
that in the United Kingdom, they live similar situations
donde solamente la apariencia
Where
de
just-
gitana
where just the gypsy appearance
ya era un delito grave.
was already a grave situation.
Y tuvieron que realizar mecanismos de adaptación.
And they had to create mechanisms of survival.
Empezaron a mezclarse
They began to have intermixed relationships
con otro tipo de personas más blancas,
with other people who were
pelirrojas,
that were with red hair, lighter in terms of skin,
para mitigar o cambiar su aspecto
to
moreno.
change their physical aspect.
Esa historia de persecución no es algo aislado.
That history of persecution is not an isolated event.
Ha durado siglos.
It has remained for centuries.
Centrándome en mi trabajo de hoy, que es el territorio español,
As I center on my topic today, which is the gypsies in Spain,
esas persecuciones duraron
those persecutions lasted
de forma continuada,
in a continuous way,
pasando por diversas monarquías españolas,
going through different monarchies,
diversos regímenes políticos,
through many political regimens,
hasta la llegada de la aprobación de la Constitución española
until the arrival of the Constitution of Spain
en 1978.
in 1978.
Previamente a 1978
Previous to that date,
vivimos guerras,
we lived wars
como la Guerra Civil
like
Española,
civil war in Spain,
y vivimos situaciones
and we lived situations
donde todos los colores políticos,
where
todos
all
los
the
partidos,
political parties, every one of them,
tenían políticas
they had political ideas
antigitanas.
anti-gypsies.
Nadie ha sido bueno ni benévolo con el pueblo
None
gitano.
of these were benevolent with the gypsy people,
Ni siquiera la parte más progresista,
not even the most progressive parties.
que se supone que fue la Segunda República,
That was supposed to be the Second Republic,
porque aprobó una ley, la conocida ley de vagos y maleantes,
because they approved the law
vagos,
of lazy and
maleantes, personas de mal
thieves
vivir,
and of people with bad lifestyle,
que es la única ley
which is the only law
que no castiga la realización de un hecho,
that does not punish the realization of an act,
sino la posibilidad
but the possibility
de cometer un delito.
of committing an act.
Bajo esa situación,
Under that circumstance,
cogían a los gitanos
they
que
would take the gypsies
presuntamente podían
that assumingly they
cometer
could
un delito
have committed some criminal activity,
y eran internados en campos de
and they
concentración.
were took them to concentration camps.
Muchas personas por desconocimiento histórico
And many people, because of their lack of history, of knowledge in history,
piensan que esa ley
think that that law,
la aprobó Franco, el dictador.
think that Franco, the dictator, was the one who approved that law.
Sin embargo, la aprobaron en la Segunda República
But that was actually passed in the Second Republic,
el 4 de agosto de 1933.
August 4, 1933.
Fue necesaria la entrada
It was,
en la Constitución, la entrada en la democracia,
there was a need things changed as we went into the democracy with the Spanish Constitution,
para que por primera vez en la
so
historia
that for the first time in history,
el pueblo gitano
the gypsy people
fuera considerado como igual,
would be considered as equals,
con todos los derechos y garantías que vienen recogidos
with all the rights and guarantees that are covered
en el título 1 de nuestra
in the
Constitución.
Title I of our Constitution.
Pero ¿qué pasó?
But what happened?
Siglos, casi
Centuries,
600 años de
Almost
persecuciones
6 centuries of persecution
se borran
are erased
con la aprobación de la Constitución.
with, that's a question, are 6 centuries of persecution, could they be erased with the Constitution?
Legalmente, fácticamente, sí.
Legally and,
De forma
yes.
real,
And
efectiva,
effectively, yes.
supuestamente, a efectos legales, sí.
Legally, yes.
Pero de hecho y en realidad,
But in reality,
las consecuencias jurídicas,
the judicial consequences,
sociales,
social,
culturales,
cultural,
económicas,
economic,
que habían producido
that had been produced
un retraso
a determined,
muy grave
extreme backup
sobre el pueblo gitano,
of the Gypsy people.
no se quitó por un golpe mágico.
It didn't disappear just with some new constitution.
Se necesitó mucho trabajo,
There was a need for more work,
un esfuerzo infrahumano muy
an
difícil
effort above humans, if you could say,
para garantizar
to guarantee
esos derechos,
the rights,
garantizar la igualdad,
to guarantee equality,
el derecho a una vivienda
the
digna,
right to housing,
la protección del sistema de garantía,
the protection of the guarantee of protection,
el trato justo
the equal treatment and just treatment
por la administración, como puede ser la policía.
by the administration, for example, the police.
No ha sido fácil.
It has not been easy.
De hecho, hoy por hoy
In fact, today
se habla
it is spoken of
y se constata de forma científica
and it has been proved scientifically
que el antigitanismo
that anti-Gypsyism
persiste
is a
en el
persistent
sistema español.
in the Spanish system.
¿Qué es lo que falla?
What is failing?
¿Fallan las leyes?
Are the laws failing?
¿Falla el sistema?
Is the system failing?
¿O fallan las personas responsables de ejecutar las leyes?
Or are the people who are responsible for executing the laws the one is are these the is this where the failure is found?
El sistema legislativo, el ordenamiento jurídico en España,
The Spanish legislation,
nuestra propia constitución,
our own constitution,
ha sido envidiada
has been liked by other people
durante años.
for many years.
Sin embargo, con el pueblo gitano
Nonetheless, with the Spanish people,
hay una resistencia
there is a resistance
a obedecer
of obeying
el sistema.
the system.
Hay sitios donde se produce la costumbre
There are places where there's the custom
de acatar las leyes, de obedecerlas,
of obeying the laws,
y otros sitios donde no se produce esa costumbre de obediencia.
and others, in other places, the laws are disobeyed.
Y en España puedo afirmar
And in Spain, I can affirm
categóricamente
categorically
que existe la cultura de incumplir, inaplicar.
that there, repítelo,
Existe la cultura de incumplir,
there's a culture of not fulfilling
inaplicar,
and not applying,
desobedecer,
but disobeying,
quebrantar,
breaking,
vulnerar,
yeah, more or less breaking the same thing.
violentar el ordenamiento jurídico.
Violating the judicial laws, the laws.
Cuando la persona
When the person
que requiere, que necesita
that is requiring
la,
and needs
la aplicación de las
the
leyes,
application of the laws,
el sistema de garantía,
the system of guarantee,
es gitano.
gypsies.
Cuando
It's
eres
gypsies.
gitano,
When you are a gypsy,
cuando eres gitana,
when you're a gypsy woman,
nada funciona.
nothing works.
No funciona nunca.
It never works.
Y si funciona,
And if it does work,
es cuando eres presuntamente culpable.
it is when you are presumably at fault.
Cuando tú eres presuntamente culpable,
When you are presumably at fault,
ni siquiera se
Not-
aplica la presunción de
not
inocencia.
even the presumption of being innocent is applied.
Te cae la ley
The law is
Todo el peso de
placed
la
on
ley.
all the weight of the law is
de
placed
una
on
forma desorbitante,
in
exorbitante.
a very exaggerated way.
Todos los activistas gitanos
All the gypsy activists,
pensamos que hace 2 años,
we thought that 2 years ago,
cuando se aprobó en el Código Penal
when a law was passed,
el término de la palabra antigitanismo,
and included the term anti-gypsy,
pensamos que habíamos conseguido un hito histórico.
we thought that we had reached a historic moment.
Pensamos que si estaba ya recogido dentro del delito de odio,
We thought that if the anti-gypsyism was contemplated in the law under the laws of hate,
se iba a permitir
It-
denunciar
there was a possibility now that you could pursue legally
y sentirnos protegidos
and feel protected
frente a las graves discriminaciones.
in the face of discrimination.
Y se aprobó en el Código Penal, en el
And-
artículo
And
314,
there's an article that is that a law that was passed
en el artículo 510,
in various
de los delitos
articles
de odio,
that cover hate crimes,
y también se recoge como circunstancia agravante
and it also covers extreme situations
en el 22.4,
in another one of
artículo
those
22.4. del
articles
Código Penal.
94.
Sin embargo,
Notwithstanding,
todo fue una ilusión abstracta,
in essence, all this was a false illusion
porque los jueces
because the judges
no admitían a trámite,
did not admit
archivaban,
they would
cerraban,
they would
archivaban
close many of these cases,
todas las denuncias
all the process of people trying to get something done legally
que se ponían por motivos
that were
racistas.
submitted for racism purposes.
¿Qué falla?
So what was failing?
¿Fallan las leyes
Are the laws failing,
o fallan los ejecutores, los operadores jurídicos?
or are the people who operate the laws and implement them the ones that are failing?
Fallan los operadores jurídicos.
And these, what's failing are the operators of the judicial system.
No nos sirve de nada
It's not worth anything
que exista una amplia legislación
that there is enough legislation,
a nivel internacional,
even internationally,
a nivel europeo,
Europeans,
a nivel nacional,
and at the national level,
a nivel autonómico,
and even at the autonomy level,
incluso local,
and even local level,
si la aplicación
if the application
siempre es racista y
is
discriminatoria.
always racist and discriminatory.
Yo hago una distinción muy importante.
I make an important distinction.
Las leyes casi siempre, normalmente,
The laws, almost all the time, normally,
desde que entramos en la democracia,
since coming into democracy,
suelen regular las cosas bien.
usually they regulate things correctly.
Hay excepciones, ¿no?
There
De
are
leyes que
exceptions.
se han hecho mal,
Yeah.
pero normalmente
Laws that have not been good,
las que regulan los derechos
but
fundamentales,
those that deal with human rights,
las garantías constitucionales,
that provide constitutional
están muy
guarantee,
bien recogidas en nuestra
they are
Constitución
pretty much guaranteed and provided in the
y en
Constitution.
todas las leyes que se han aprobado para garantizarla.
And all the laws that have been approved to provide this.
Pero dentro
But within
del que aplica la ley
the person who is applying the law
está el elemento intangible,
there's an intangible
lo que no podemos
element,
tocar,
something you can't touch,
lo que no podemos ver,
what you can't see,
pero apreciar.
but you can appreciate.
El elemento intangible de la ley
The intangible elements of the law
es justamente la moral,
has to do with the morale,
la ética,
the ethic,
el conjunto de valores
the value systems
que tiene una persona.
that a person has.
Si esa persona encargada de ejecutar la ley
If the person that is in charge of executing the law
es racista,
is racist,
clasista,
classist,
supremacista,
looks at himself as with a supremacy,
nunca
never
va a dictar leyes justas.
that person will never dictate just laws.
Y aunque el marco legal,
And even though the legal system,
la letra de la ley,
the letter of the law
diga una cosa basada
states something based
en parámetros de justicia, en
in
justicia,
parameters of justice,
la aplicación
the application
o el acceso
or the access
esa ley
of that law
depende del criterio judicial.
depends on the criteria of the justice.
Y también depende
And it also depends
de la función
of the function
de la policía.
of the police.
Tenemos muchos casos de personas gitanas
We have a number of cases of gypsy people
que sufren racismo, discriminación,
that suffer discrimination and racism.
intentan denunciarlo
They try to demand
ante la policía,
to the police,
como decimos en España, fuerzas y cuerpos de seguridad del Estado,
all the forces of police in the country of Spain,
y la misma policía
and the police,
le dice que eso no es delito.
they tell them that it's not unlawful.
¿Por qué ocurre esto?
Why does this happen?
La descripción que aparece en la ley
The description that appears in the law
como descripción del delito,
as a description of the
descripción del
unlawful
delito,
act,
de la actitud racista,
that of the unlawful of the
Racista.
racist attitude,
del hecho discriminatorio,
of the racist discrimination,
nunca está suficientemente fundamentado.
it is never sufficiently sustained
¿Por qué?
or founded. Why?
Por ejemplo, para un juez
For example, for a judge
o para un supuesto policía,
or for a police officer,
es normal
it's normal
que si un gitano o una gitana entra en un centro comercial,
that if a gypsy person enters into a mall,
se le pueda perseguir,
that
vigilar,
person can be vigilant. Oh, they can be supervised
continuamente.
continuously
Porque piensan,
because they think
solo por su aspecto,
that just by their aspect,
que
physical,
como es gitano,
because he or she is a gypsy,
va a robar.
they're going to steal.
Automáticamente
Automatically,
se conculca, se rompe la presunción de inocencia.
the reasonable innocence is broken
Porque está normalizado
because it's
que si eres gitano,
that if you're a gypsy person,
lo más normal
the most normal thing
es que vayas a robar.
is that you're going to steal.
Sufrimos racismo y discriminación
We suffer racism and discrimination
en absolutamente todas las áreas de la justicia y de la
in
justicia.
all the areas of the legal system.
Uno de los casos más graves
And one of the worst cases
ha sido hace una semana,
has been a week ago,
donde una niña gitana de 11 años
where a girl of 11 years old, gypsy,
sufría violencia de género,
suffered,
era maltratada
she was mistreated
desde que se casó con
Abused.
11 años, Supuestamente.
since being married at the age of 11.
fruto de esa relación
And as a result of that relationship
con un hombre muy mayor,
with a
mayor que
person
ella,
that is a lot older than her,
con una diferencia muy grande
with a diferencia muy grande de que,
de edad, de cuerpo,
with a bigger
biológico.
difference of biological difference, greater in terms of age, greater in terms of physical aspect.
Una franja de edad diferente, no tenía 11 y 12, sino que tenía 11 y 20 y tantos. por
The
ejemplo.
person was over 20 years old, for example.
Diferencia morfológica.
The person was very different in terms of physical aspect.
estaba maltratándola continuamente
He was abusing her
desde que se casó.
continuously since they were married.
Fruto de esa relación nacieron
As-
3 hijos.
And as a result of that relationship, 3 children were born.
Finalmente,
Finally,
ese hombre es juzgado
that person is judged,
y según nuestras
processed,
leyes,
and according to our laws as gypsies,
no,
oh,
según el ordenamiento jurídico español,
according,
Perdón.
excuse me, according to the laws in Spain,
la edad para prestar consentimiento,
the law to give your consentment
para tener
to
relaciones,
have relationships
está en los 16 años.
is at the age of 16.
Tú no puedes tener relaciones con una menor de 16
You
años.
cannot have intimacy with a person that is under 16 years old.
El consentimiento de una menor de 16 años no es válido.
The consentment of someone who is under 16 is not valid.
Pero nuestras leyes gitanas, nuestras costumbres,
But our customs as gypsies,
hoy por hoy,
as of today,
en algunos casos,
in many cases,
se siguen produciendo
is continue to happen,
matrimonios de niñas muy jóvenes.
continue to promote the marriage of children at a very young age.
En el caso de esta menor de edad,
And in the case of this minor,
el fiscal
the judge
le pedía
was asking
38 años de prisión
38 years of prison
para el hombre que continuamente
that for the man that was
abusó
continuously
de ella,
abusing her,
la maltrató
was abusing her
y le dio una vida muy dura.
and gave her a very hard life.
El juez
The judge
decidió
decided,
solo 8 años de prisión como pena.
okay, so the judge gave him 8 years. The supervisor was wanting 38 years. Make that correction.
La ley no le permite eso.
The law does not permit him that.
La ley no le permite decir que era costumbre gitana.
The law does not permit the judge to say that that's a gypsy custom.
El juez se basó en ese criterio de la costumbre gitana de casarse joven
He based himself on the criteria that gypsy people marry young
para aceptar ese consentimiento.
to accept her consentment at that age.
Y esa niña
And that girl
sufrió violencia,
suffered violence,
no solo por él,
not just from him,
sino por la familia de él
but
también.
his family.
Y le ha hecho una rebaja de la pena
And
de 37
re-
a 8
reduced
años.
the sentence from 38 years to 8 years.
Eso es posiblemente un delito de prevaricación.
That is a very unlawful.
No se usan los parámetros legales.
The parameters of the law were not applied.
No se usa la ley,
The law itself
la ley de jurisdicción voluntaria, que es
The-
la que dice
the law
16 años.
of the law that says that you have to have
Se
16
pone la
years old
excusa del
to provide
consentimiento,
consentment.
la excusa de la costumbre gitana,
They put the excuse that they're gypsy, that they marry young,
y no se defiende a esa niña.
and that child is not defended.
Eso está siendo un escándalo ahora mismo en España.
That is a scandal right now in Spain.
Otra de las áreas más difíciles y que más daño nos producen a la
Another
familia
one of the
gitana
situations that does a lot of damage to the gypsy families in Spain
es en la atención médica.
is in the healthcare system.
En el sistema de salud español,
In the healthcare system of Spain,
según el gobierno de España,
according to the government of Spain,
la población gitana
the gypsy
es de
population
las minorías que más racismo sufre.
is one of the minorities that most suffer racism.
De hecho,
In fact,
se producen delitos
there are acts that are produced,
que
unlawful acts,
que la propia Organización Mundial de la Salud
that even the World Health Organization
lo tipifica como delito.
define it as an unlawful act.
¿Cuáles son esas características
What are those
de la atención
characteristics?
médica para que esté tipificado como delito contra la salud?
What are the characteristics of an unlawful act?
Una atención inadecuada al
An-
paciente
An
gitano,
inadequate attention of a gypsy person,
abusos emocionales,
emotional abuse,
un trato frío,
a
distante,
distant treatment, cold,
una peor atención por motivos raciales,
unlawful treatment because of racial issues.
y si eres mujer,
And if-
todavía más,
And if you're a woman,
porque la mujer gitana sufre violencia obstétrica,
worse because the Spanish woman,
ginecológica, cuando van a dar a luz.
has different, there's conceptions surrounding her in terms of giving, birth giving, etc.
Normalmente se le hablan a gritos,
Normally, they are screamed at
con actitudes intimidantes,
with intimidation,
y además
and
no
additionally,
se informa del tratamiento que van a recibir de una forma coherente.
and usually they're not informed of the treatment that they're going to receive in a coherent way.
Aquí tenemos lo que se conoce como el consentimiento informado.
This is what we call the informed consent.
Es la conformidad, ¿no?
That you're in conformity,
Libre, voluntaria,
you're free and
consciente
conscious
de recibir un tratamiento
of receiving some kind of treatment
cuando ha sido debidamente informado.
when you have been duly informed.
En la mayoría de los casos,
In many of the cases,
no se da un consentimiento informado en condiciones.
informed consent is not executed properly.
Tengo un caso de una mujer gitana
I have a case of a gypsy woman
que tenía cáncer en el útero
that she had uterus cancer,
y se aprovecharon de su ignorancia, de su incultura,
and they took advantage of her ignorance in terms of intellectual capacities
para someterla a un tratamiento experimental.
to submit her to an experiment.
Ella tenía un estado de cáncer avanzado
She had an advanced cancer
que requería la extirpación
that required for them to remove the
de sus
uterus.
órganos.
Yeah.
Y los médicos
And the
la
doctors
convencieron
convinced her
para que se sometiera a un tratamiento experimental,
to submit to an experimental process
porque les decían
because they told
que
her
en su caso
that in her
tenía
case,
todas las posibilidades
she had all the
de que
possibilities
fuera efectivo.
that in her case, the experiment would be effective.
Y es justamente lo
And
contrario.
it was actually to the contrary.
Tenía un estado avanzado
She had such a advanced stage of cancer
que lo mejor hubiera sido
that the best thing that they could have done
eliminar toda la zona afectada
was to remove all the affected areas
y evitar posibles riesgos a otras zonas del cuerpo.
and to avoid the cancer spreading to other organs.
Ella aceptó pensando que era lo correcto.
She accepted thinking that it was the correct thing to do.
El tratamiento fue a base de moléculas de oro.
The treatment was based on gold molecules.
No le hizo efecto,
No,
no le hizo efecto.
it didn't make any effect on her.
Sufrió muchísimo
She suffered a lot
porque cada sesión
because at every session,
tenía que ser documentada.
every
escrita.
session had to be documented.
Venían a verla alumnos de medicina
Many Spanish medical students had to visit
como si
her
fuera una cobaya humana.
as if she was like a guinea pig.
Al final del procedimiento,
At the
el
end of
tratamiento,
the final stage of the treatment,
el cáncer se expandió a los pulmones,
the cancer spread to her
de los
lungs
pulmones al cerebro.
and from the lungs to her brain.
Esto pasa muy a menudo.
And this often happens.
Si la atención médica es apropiada,
If the medical
adecuada,
attention is adequate,
se producen abusos emocionales
there,
cuando hay interés en ensayos clínicos.
so often if the conditions are there, they tend to use gypsy people for these experiments.
Otro de los casos que he llevado de forma muy reciente
Another case that I've recently dealt
es
with,
el caso de una mujer que padecía fibromialgia.
there's another case of another person who had fibro, I don't know how you
Una
pronounce it.
mujer gitana joven
She was a gypsy young person.
con su trabajo fijo,
She had a permanent job,
pero padecía un cansancio crónico
but she was very tired,
siempre
always.
y dolores en todo el cuerpo.
And she had pain all over her body.
Llevaba un año yendo a su médica
She had been visiting her primary care physician for 1 year.
y su médica nunca le hizo pruebas.
And her primary care physician never sent her to do some analysis,
Nunca le mandó un análisis.
never sent her any kind of referral to do some kind of
Y ella le
analysis.
suplicaba que le hiciera
And
pruebas.
she even requested this.
Tal es así que tuvo que dejar el trabajo.
She had to finally leave her job.
Seguía suplicándole a la jefa que le hicieran las pruebas.
They continuously asked the boss, the head nurse or the head doctor to do
La
that.
médica siempre le decía lo mismo.
And the doctor would always tell her the same thing.
Es que las mujeres en tu cultura,
As her argument was that the people in
las
your
mujeres
culture,
gitanas,
gypsy girls,
siempre estáis cansadas,
you're always tired.
siempre estáis agotadas,
You're always exhausted
porque tenéis mucha carga con los hijos y el
because
trabajo.
you have so much work and you got to care for kids.
Aquí en España es difícil cambiarte de médico.
Here in Spain, it's very, very difficult to move from one doctor to another.
Tienes que hacer un escrito y
You
justificarlo.
have to request it in writing and justify it.
Ella solicitó el cambio de médico
She requested the change in medical attention
y especificó que su médica no le hacía ningún tratamiento,
And
ningún
she's-
diagnóstico,
she specified that her doctor did not do other analysis
porque como era gitana,
because since she was gypsy,
entendía que era normal estar cansada y tener dolores.
she assumed that one had to be tired and with pain.
Le consiguen el cambio de médico
They finally gave her another referral doctor,
y en las primeras pruebas que le hacen,
and the first analysis they do,
le reconocen, le diagnostican una fibromialgia muy avanzada.
they diagnose, I don't know if it's fibro
Con
something.
muchísimas dolencias.
She has a lot of pain in the body.
¿Qué le produjo a esta mujer?
So what happened with this lady?
Como ella dejó voluntariamente su trabajo,
Since she left voluntarily her job,
un trabajo fijo, con un buen sueldo,
it's a stable job with a good pay.
no percibió ningún tipo de ayuda.
She did not perceive any kind of
Perdió
economic assistance.
Todas las garantías
She lost all the economic guarantees.
y llegó a una situación de pobreza.
And she got to a state of impoverishment.
Este es el tipo de antigitanismo que persiste en el sistema español.
This is the anti-gypsy spirit in the Spanish
Es
system.
un antigitanismo
It's
que persiste dentro del fuero interno de la persona.
it remains in the internal being of the person.
Persiste en la esfera intangible, en lo que hay dentro de la
This is an
persona.
intangible characteristic of the person.
Prejuicios,
Prejuicio.
la creencia
The belief
de que todos son malos,
that all of these people are bad,
de que no pueden fiarse de nosotros,
that you have to be careful
de
with
que somos
gypsy,
personas problemáticas.
that we are problematic people,
Justo se repite
and in a repetitive way,
el pasado de persecuciones.
what we see is that our past history is repeated once again.
Esta forma de antigitanismo
This form of anti-gypsyism
impide
impedes
que la población gitana
that the gypsy population
puedan disfrutar del Estado democrático de
could
derecho.
enjoy the democratic state in Spain.
No importa lo buenas que sean las
It
leyes,
doesn't matter how good the laws are.
no importa lo mucho que estén consagrados nuestros derechos
It
fundamentales.
doesn't matter whether our human rights are guaranteed.
Si las personas que están obligadas
If the people who are obligated
a aplicar los preceptos
to
legales,
apply all the legal laws, all the laws,
a dar un buen trato,
to provide good treatment,
a ofrecer un sistema de garantía adecuado,
to offer to guarantee everything that's
no
right
lo hacen nunca.
under the law, they don't do it.
El daño sigue ahí.
The damage continues.
Y eso ocurre en todas las áreas.
And this occurs in every area.
Hay una tendencia muy fuerte
There is a growing
en
tendency
servicios sociales,
in social services
donde en algunos sitios en concreto
where in certain places in concrete,
se penaliza la pobreza
all the poverty is penalized.
y se retiran la custodia de sus hijos.
And many parents lose the custody of their children.
Y se retira no por motivos de malos tratos, de dejadez,
The custody is removed not because of abuse or things like that.
se retira
They're removed
porque se criminaliza la pobreza.
because poverty is criminalized.
Y hay un sistema
There's a system
de interés,
of interest
de subvenciones
of subsidies
por parte de la Unión Europea
by the European Union
que, sin ellos ser conscientes, la
without
Unión
them
Europea
even
no es
being
consciente,
conscious of what's
lo que
happening.
hace es facilitar la quitada de niños,
They are
robo de
actually
custodia,
facilitating the
retirada de
process
custodia de
of,
menores.
of taking away kids from their parents.
Se vuelven a reproducir las mismas situaciones del pasado.
The situation of the past continues.
Cuando
to
nos
occur.
quitaban a nuestros niños,
When
cuando
they
nos separaban,
take our kids where they would separate us.
cuando la Iglesia Católica
When the Catholic Church
tenía programas
Had-
específicos
had specific programs
para enseñarles a los niños
to teach children
a ser payos, a no ser gitanos.
to be like national
Se
Spanish,
repite
not
todo
gypsy.
históricamente.
So this is a repetition of
El
history.
antigitanismo es cíclico.
And this anti-gypsyism is repetitive,
Es más
cyclical.
subversivo,
It's subversive,
pero sigue igual de fuerte
but it continues to be as strong.
en las viviendas, en la necesidad de alquilar viviendas.
In terms of property rental,
Hay comunidades en España
there are communities in Spain
donde no alquilan viviendas al pueblo gitano.
that gypsy people are not permitted to rent these properties.
Aunque vayan con 5 meses por adelantado. de
Even
dinero,
if you pay 5 months ahead, they don't rent them to them.
nunca le alquilan viviendas al
They
gitano.
don't rent them to gypsies.
Esta es la realidad
This is a reality
que no se cuenta,
that is not told,
pero que vivimos los gitanos
but we live
en España.
in Spain.
En los colegios
In the elementary school system,
se siguen reproduciendo colegios guetos.
there continue to be educational ghettos.
Hay muchos colegios guetos e institutos de enseñanza secundaria
There are many academic ghettos in the second level of academic institutions
que están en barrios de marginalidad.
that are in marginalized communities.
Y hay una cosa muy importante,
And there's something very important.
es que el racismo
Racism
se sigue reproduciendo
continues to reproduce
y
itself
manteniendo
and maintain itself
por la difusión de la radio, televisión,
by
internet,
diffusion of
redes
radio,
sociales.
internet, etc.
Es muy difícil luchar con eso.
It's very difficult to battle against
Ni
this.
siquiera los mecanismos que tiene la ley
Not even the mechanisms that
para
are
perseguir ese
provides
tipo de
to
delitos,
persecute those kind of acts
delitos que se producen en el ámbito de Internet,
in
¿no?
the internet,
No son eficaces.
they're not effective.
Y se promulgan, se proliferan, aumentan
And there is an increase
el tipo de productos racistas,
The-
de posts, de publicaciones racistas y
there's
discriminatorias.
an increase of publications and internet publication, anti-gypsy and racism.
El conjunto de toda esta situación,
And with all this in mind,
injusticia,
injustice,
vivienda, salud,
housings, a health system,
empleo,
employment
es muy difícil.
is very difficult.
A mí misma, cuando yo era una simple estudiante
When I was a student
y leyeron mi currículum,
and my curriculum, my resume was read,
el director del banco, que
The-
fui a una oferta laboral en un banco,
I applied to a bank and the director of the bank
me preguntó que por qué tenía tanta información sobre el pueblo gitano en mi currículum.
he asked why I had so much information regarding the gypsy people in my curriculum.
Y yo le dije que porque era gitana.
And I responded that I was a gypsy.
Entonces el hombre me dijo
And the man responded
que eso de ser gitano
that being a gypsy
y trabajar en el banco
and working at a bank
no era ético,
is not ethical
porque presuntamente podría yo robar.
because I could probably steal.
Si eso me lo hacen a mí,
if they do that to me,
que tengo formación,
that I have
que en ese
academic
momento
formation,
tenía mi formación también,
and I had my formation at
que
that
soy
time,
rubia,
that I am not
blanca,
dark, I'm white, I have red
que esa
blonde
fra-
hair.
¿qué no le hacen a alguien racializado y sin estudios?
What are they capable of doing, because of the racialized ideas they have?
En conclusión,
In conclusion,
para no alargar más la
to not
ponencia,
extend this too long,
el racismo en España sigue
racism in Spain
produciéndose
continues to
a
produce
unos
itself
niveles muy grandes.
at great levels.
No importa lo mucho que las leyes
It
consagren
doesn't matter how many laws are
la
passed,
igualdad,
or how much the law protects equality.
porque las personas que están encargadas
The
de
people who are
ejecutar
in
la
charge
justicia,
of actually implementing that law
de
and
velar
justice
por los derechos
to
fundamentales,
look for the rights of people,
por tratar a los pacientes en los
to
hospitales,
treat just right the people in hospitals,
por ayudar los servicios sociales a las personas
to
necesitadas.
help people through all the channels of social programs.
Si son racistas
If those people are
en
racist
su fuero interno,
in the most inner being,
ese elemento intangible
that intangible being
que no vemos pero que sentimos,
that we do not see but we know exists,
nunca vamos a estar
we are never
en plena igualdad
going to be with
jurídica,
equal
efectiva.
justice. We are not going to be able to access all the legal rights and equality.
El antigitanismo para mí
Anti-Gypsyism for me
es la perversión del sistema.
is a perversion of the system.
Cuando todos los derechos humanos,
When all the human rights,
derechos humanos fundamentales,
fundamental human rights,
las garantías
and
constitucionales
the guarantees of the Constitution
que deben de proteger,
that have to protect
seguir,
and continue
velar
to watch over
al pueblo gitano
the Gypsy people
como parte del pueblo español que somos,
as part of the Spanish
como
people,
parte del pueblo europeo.
as
Somos
part of as being
una
Europeans,
minoría transnacional.
a transnational minority,
No funciona.
when all these do not function.
El sistema no funciona.
The system does not function.
Es el fallo del sistema,
That is the failure of the system,
la perversión del
the,
sistema.
the perversion of the system.
Muchísimas gracias a todos por vuestra atención
Thank you very much for your attention.
y espero haber aclarado
I hope to have clarified
o haber informado
or at least informed
de una forma amplia,
in a general form.
aunque concreta.
Of course, more concrete
Por el
readers
tiempo.
because of the time.
Estoy encantada de haber participado.
I am happy to have participated.
Y si alguien tiene alguna pregunta,
And if someone has a question, I'm available now.
muchas gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Sephora, for an excellent presentation and sharing
Gracias por la presentación.
some real examples on, say, like health ground or on the education field and other areas.
And-
But after hearing from you, I was just wondering, is there a way out or there's no way out?
I'm sorry, could you
You're
repeat?
saying that, no, you are saying that there are rules which guarantees equality for all citizens of Spain, but it is the officials or the judiciary or the police who are not adhering to the laws.
Que están implementadas en España, pero que son las personas las que...
Claro, los operadores
But-
jurídicos.
But what is the solution? Because in some European countries they have done slightly better, or we say that there is no solution.
Es seguir denunciando los hechos
She thinks the solution is to continue to pressure legally, judicially.
y cuando, por ejemplo, no te admiten a trámite una denuncia
For example, if you are going
por
to,
racismo y discriminación,
if you're going to submit something because of some kind of law that has been broken against you,
solo nos queda echarnos a la calle,
the only thing that we can opt is to go out in the streets,
contarlo en redes sociales,
to share it in social media,
contarlo en los medios de comunicación
to the media,
y denunciarlo
and to
a organismos superiores, como puede ser, por ejemplo, el defensor del pueblo.
yeah, here in Spain, there is what they call the defender of the people. So those are mechanisms that can be used to be able to go against these acts that are unlawful against the gypsy people.
Es un mecanismo, tú se lo has explicado, ¿no?
Sí.
Imparcial.
It's supposed to be an impartial mechanism, obviously.
Es que no nos queda otra cosa.
We have no other options.
Y últimamente
And lately,
no tenemos tanta libertad de expresión.
we don't have so much freedom of speech.
A mí me tienen controlada las redes sociales.
The social media has me controlled.
Cada vez que en un post en internet
Whenever I post something on
pongo
there,
la palabra antigitanismo,
whenever I put anti-gypsyism,
ese post no tiene divulgación, no
That-
tiene difusión.
that post does not have diffusion. It
Tiene-
doesn't have any impact.
Cortado.
They cut those kind of terms.
No voy a hablar de la situación actual de España política,
I'm not going to share about the political situation here in Spain.
sería improcedente,
It doesn't proceed,
pero ahora mismo
but and the actuality,
estamos viviendo un momento histórico muy difícil,
we are living a very difficult time
donde
historically,
nuevamente
where again,
algunas de nuestras libertades
some of our liberties,
más básicas
the basic liberties,
se están viendo afectadas.
are being affected.
A mí me han hackeado todas mis redes sociales muchas veces.
My media accounts have been hacked.
Y cada vez que he
numerous times.
denunciado un caso grave de racismo,
Every time I go against some
he sentido
anti-Gypsyism,
persecución hacia mi vida,
I
mi trabajo
felt persecuted because of my job
y la de mi marido. La de mi marido.
and even my husband.
O sea que es difícil.
It's very difficult.
So now I see Punita. You have a question or a comment? The floor is yours.
¿Qué he dicho? No me he enterado.
Yeah.
Ah, no,
Buenas tardes, muchísimas gracias para una conferencia muy interesante.
Gracias.
No puedo hablar mucho en español, entonces hablo en inglés ahora.
Perfecto, vale.
Okay.
Hable en frases porque tampoco soy el mejor intérprete.
En francés también. Okay.
No, solo sé decir cómo talez-vous.
Okay. Okay, so my question was really, a little following up with Rajesh, that it seems a little hopeless from what was said today. And I'm
hold up.
frankly...
Hold up. Ella, claro, dice que después de todo lo que se ha dicho, no ha terminado la pregunta, hay como un sentido de falta de esperanza,
Sí, bueno.
pero espérate, no ha terminado.
Vale.
Continue.
Yeah, so it just seems a little hopeless considering, and also a little ironic, considering that you have had an MEP from Spain, Senor Heredia, many, many years ago. One of the first MEPs in the European Parliament was from Spain, right? Juan Heredia. And so you have had good representation. Even today,
A pesar de que hay está la ironía, ¿vale? A pesar de esa como falta de esperanza de que tú has tenido cierto éxito.
Sí, bueno, a mí nunca nadie me ha regalado nada.
Well, in actuality, no one has ever gifted me
Y
anything.
nunca nada me ha salido bien a la primera.
And nothing has come out good the first time.
Todo lo poco que he conseguido, o
The
mucho,
little that I have been able to accomplish,
ha sido a base de luchar,
I have
luchar,
struggled and struggled.
romper, criticar
I have criticized
y defenderme a mí misma
and defended myself.
con uñas y dientes, no sé la expresión.
Yeah, it's very tough.
Sí.
yeah. No, I was talking about the very first member of the European Parliament who was Roma from Spain.
La
Senor,
primera persona que fue representante en Europa.
¿Quién?
Who's the person?
Juan
¿Qué-
Ramírez.
Juan de Dios Ramírez Heredia, ¿no?
That
Sí.
So, I mean, given that, and also the fact that even today, Spain is one of the most outspoken countries in the European Parliament. Spain and Ireland are the two countries that have spoken up about Palestine, which which is very impressive. And so if a country has the audacity to speak about human rights in another geography, why is there a problem at home? Why are you not able to deal with this
España
human
parece
rights
que es
situation?
el líder en defender los derechos, por ejemplo, en el caso ahora de los palestinos, lo que va a ser el 24. Que es curioso de que parece que España es un líder en derechos humanos y tal, pero tenemos este problema en casa.
Es lo que siempre explico.
This is what I always explain.
Con la causa gitana
With the gypsy cause,
no hay partido político
there are no political parties
que haya sido amable
that has been nice
ni justo
or just
siempre
always
con el pueblo gitano.
with the gypsy people.
Van por periodos.
It goes by periods.
Cuando entramos en la democracia,
When we entered into democracy,
hubo una mejora grande de
there
los
was
derechos.
things got better.
Sin embargo,
Nonetheless,
en los años 80 y 70 y tantos, finales de los 70,
end of 70s and early 80s,
justo con la transición
with
democrática,
the transition into democracy,
nuestros niños gitanos tenían que ir escoltados por la policía.
our children had to be escorted by the police.
O sea, que esto es una realidad.
This is a reality.
En España somos, bueno, la mayoría se la dan de progresistas,
In Spain, the majority of the people call
de
themselves
solidarios,
progressive, solidarians,
pero en realidad con la comunidad gitana
but with gypsy people,
son prejuiciosos.
they have a lot of prejudices,
Y esto tiene la culpa el propio gobierno.
and the government is at fault for this,
Porque la historia de terror,
because the history of terror,
los 6 siglos de persecuciones,
6 centuries of persecution,
las 250 leyes antigitanas
the 250 anti-gypsy laws,
se han tapado.
they've covered them.
No se estudia.
This is not a topic. that's-
Entonces el pueblo español
And then the Spanish people
sigue pensando que somos los gitanos
continues to think that
Los
we, the
responsables
gypsy people, are responsible
de la
of
pobreza,
poverty,
marginalidad,
marginalization,
la droga,
drugs,
etcétera, etcétera.
etc.
Okay. And just one last thing, follow up. You know, I study flamenco. I'm also a musicologist. And in 2010, UNESCO gave the award for intangible heritage of humanity for flamenco. And a lot of Spanish, I mean, payos, not just gitanos, claim this form as a national art form, and not just the property of gitanos. So it seems very exploitative that that you take something that is got some cultural value, but then you dismiss the people who contribute to it.
Ahora. Muchas gracias por sacar ese tema,
Thank you for bringing up that topic.
porque esa es una prueba más
That is another proof
de usurpación de identidad.
of usurping authority.
La UNESCO consagra el flamenco,
UNESCO
aprueba el
approves
flamenco
of flamenco
como patrimonio inmaterial de la humanidad.
as a I don't know how to translate this.
Intangible heritage of humanity.
Yes, thank you.
Y el resultado de eso es
And the result of that
que ahora
now
el flamenco es de todo el mundo,
flamenco belongs to everyone,
menos de los gitanos.
but not the gypsies.
Una realidad así de triste.
It's very sad.
Y además,
And also,
canciones muy importantes para nosotros,
and songs that are very important
que la
to
hemos
us
creado el pueblo gitano
that the gypsy people have created
por nuestra ignorancia
by our ignorance
y por las dificultades de las leyes.
and the difficulties of laws.
En su momento no se registraron en los registros.
Many of these were not copyrighted,
Y las grandes multinacionales
and the great multinational
discográficas
recording studios, whatever,
han cogido eso
have taken them
y la han hecho suyo.
and they've made it theirs.
Es decir, siguen robándonos
They
nuestra
continue
identidad.
to rob our property, our identity.
Y el flamenco no es nuestro nada más,
Flamenco is not just ours,
pero somos
but we
una parte imprescindible
are an important part
en la creación del flamenco.
in the creation of
Y
flamenco,
somos los mayores
and we are the most
exponenciales o vehículos exponenciales
major vehicle
del flamenco.
of the flamenco.
Y hay palos del flamenco
And there are different parts, different styles of
que son
flamenco
solo nuestros,
that are only ours
porque lo hemos creado nosotros.
because we created it.
Sin embargo,
Nonetheless,
el efecto de protegerlo por la UNESCO
the effect of UNESCO protecting
ha conseguido justo lo contrario.
has produced the exact opposite.
Quieren un flamenco
They want a flamenco
desgitanizado, sin los gitanos.
without the gypsies.
Any more questions, comments from anyone?
Yes, hola.
Yeah.
Gemma.
Hola.
Muchísimas gracias.
Buen día, Sephora. Muchas gracias.
Hola, buenos
por la
días.
entrevista.
Haz la pregunta en español.
Ok, tengo dos preguntas.
Vale.
¿Cuál era la situación de los gitanos durante el franquismo? O la segunda, yo viajo mucho en Andalucía. Si trata de la misma discriminación en Andalucía, come dall'altra parte con Barcellona, Madrid, tenés una differenza tra Andalusia, sarebbe el luogo del flamenco, de todas las artes gitanos en Andalucía. Podemos dire que todo en España es la misma discriminación. Muchas gracias.
Gracias a ti por tus preguntas.
Thank you for your question.
La época franquista
In the time that Franco, the dictator,
fue
ruled,
una época muy opresiva
it was a very oppressive
Muy dura.
time, very difficult
para la comunidad gitana también.
for the gypsy people also.
Fue en general
It
para
was-
todo el
It
mundo,
was difficult for everyone
porque fue un régimen dictatorial
because it was a dictatorial regimen
donde se castigaba la diferencia,
where difference was punished.
donde no se permitía libertad ideológica ni
There
religiosa,
was no freedom for religious ideologies and intellectual.
pero la comunidad gitana
But the gypsy community
eran de los más perseguidos.
were the most persecuted.
Y también las personas que nos defendían
And those that defended us
también eran perseguidas.
were also persecuted.
De hecho, hay algunas leyes
There are some laws
que se han abolido, se han
that
retirado
have been removed
hace relativamente poco.
relatively recently.
Aunque con la Constitución se produjera una derogación,
Although there was some kind of advance with the
porque se cambió
Constitution,
el régimen, ¿no? La
because
transición,
there was a transition into democracy.
había leyes todavía por ahí,
There were still some laws that
como era
remained,
el famoso reglamento de la Guardia Civil,
and that, for example,
de la
the law of one of the police forces here in Spain
donde decía que había que observar y
That-
vigilar
that promoted that the police officers had to observe closely
escrupulosamente a los gitanos
the gypsy people
y todas sus pertenencias.
and all their belongings.
En el artículo 4, 5 y 6 de ese reglamento.
In the fourth, fifth, and sixth
Entonces-
article of that
Eso
law.
estaba en conexión directa con todas las leyes antiguas,
That connected with all the previous laws.
con la ley que previamente había aprobado, la de vagos y maleantes
The
de la
law
Segunda República.
of the lazy people and people who without, that
Franco,
had been approved years ago.
Franco la continuó
Franco continued it
e introdujo a la población LGTBI,
and
homosexual,
introduced in that LGBTQ community,
como foco de esa ley también. como-
which also benefited or affected them too.
Entonces, cualquier cosa insignificante
So anything insignificant,
era constituida delito.
it was considered an unlawful act.
Nosotros teníamos una experiencia personal familiar,
We had a personal family situation.
un tío de 14 años,
An uncle, 14 years old,
muy jovencito, un
he was
niño,
very young,
que estaba en la puerta de su casa
was at the door of his house
como un niño.
as a regular young boy.
Pasó la Guardia Civil por allí
The police force called the Guardia Civil
y
went
le
by
pegaron una paliza.
and they gave him a beating.
Al tercer día murió
On the third day he
por
passed
una hemorragia interna.
for internal bleeding.
Y el motivo de la paliza
And the motive they had
era no estar trabajando, estar en la puerta
was
de su
that he
casa.
was not working. He was just
tener la apariencia de vago,
he had the appearance of being just lazy.
de ser un inadaptado
He,
socialmente.
he was just not adapted socially.
Esa ha sido una continua.
And that's been a constant.
Eso provocó
That provoked
que algunos gitanos,
that some gypsies,
como mi tatarabuelo y mi bisabuelo,
as my great grandparents,
ejecutaran mecanismos de supervivencia.
they did mechanisms to survive this.
Y para poder sobrevivir al régimen franquista,
And to survive the Franco regime,
y establecieron grandes amistades
they established great friendships
con gente poderosa
with people with power,
para que le dieran salvoconductos,
so that
unos documentos
they would give him
que los
documents
protegían
that would protect them,
para que no les ocurriera nada.
so nothing would happen to
Salvoconductos
them.
de Franco.
That was during the Franco era.
Y de esa manera
And that way,
pudieron evitar
they would
la
avoid
persecución de Franco.
persecution of Franco.
En mi familia fue así.
In my family, it was that way.
Después, la respuesta a tu segunda pregunta.
And in response to your second question,
En todos los países del mundo
in all the countries of the world,
se estudia una diferencia sociológica,
mejor termina porque no entiendo.
una diferencia sociológica de que las comunidades del norte del país sufren más racismo que las del sur. Eso es así. Son más cerradas. Por ejemplo, en España, el norte sufre mayores problemas de discriminación y de racismo en todos los aspectos.
Yeah, it is often taught socially speaking that people from the north suffer more discrimination than those in the south.
En el sur,
In the south,
tenemos una comunidad gitana muy grande.
we have a gypsy community that's large.
Y el flamenco
And flamenco
ha sido como un canal
has been like a channel
de interculturalidad
of interculturality.
y ha permitido que nos llevemos bien.
And it has assisted us in having good
Y hay
relationships.
sitios en Andalucía
And there are places in Andalusia
donde tú no distingues
where you cannot distinguish
dónde empieza la cultura gitana
where the gypsy culture
y
begins
dónde empieza o termina
and,
la no gitana.
and where the non-gypsy begins and ends.
Hay comunidades muy bonitas
There are many communities, beautiful communities
que se le llama como la línea de plata,
that are
el
called
camino
like
de plata,
the way of silver.
¿sí?
It's-
Porque se quieren como si fuera un solo pueblo, payos y gitanos, gitanos y no
Because
gitanos.
gypsies and not gypsies love each other.
Y siempre coincide
And it's always a coincidence
que el flamenco tiene un impacto muy importante.
that flamenco is an important element of that unity.
Eso ocurre en pueblos como Jerez,
That occurs in cities like
Lebrija,
Jerez, Lebrija,
Las
Las
Cabezas,
Cabezas,
Morón,
Morón.
Utrera, etcétera, etcétera.
Thank you. I see Mr. Alexandru Jamfer. You wanted to ask something?
Que él está preguntando si alguien que tiene una pregunta.
Mr. Jamfer?
Él está refiriéndose a un señor
I
que,
think
está-
it's
que creía que tenía una pregunta.
yeah. So yeah, I think he's not there. So I see Miss Riddhi Sanyal. The
sorry.
floor is yours.
Yeah, if you can hear me now, I'm sorry,
Now,
I have
yeah,
a very
okay.
bad connection here. I just have a small question and curiosity, since we also had, hopefully you can hear me.
Yeah.
Since we also had the discussion on our chat group regarding the name Gypsy and Roma. And of course that the translation for Gitano will be
Sí.
Gypsy. And my curiosity and my question is there in Spain the name Gitano, it's perceived in any way as a negative name?
Un nombre
Because, for instance, the term Tsigan, as we know in Romania and all over the Europe, it is perceived as a negative name. And that's why also the politics of changing Tsigan and all the names related to that to Roma. So my curiosity is, in Spain, is there a similar situation in which the name Gitano is perceived as a negative name?
negativo.
No, mira, Lleva razón en lo que dices,
You have reason in what you say,
porque normalmente el término gitano
because generally the term
es
gypsy
considerado de forma negativa o
es-
peyorativa,
considered generally in a negative way.
pero
But
dentro del pueblo español,
within the Spanish people,
para nosotros no lo era. No lo ha
for
sido
us,
nunca.
it wasn't like that.
De hecho, todas las leyes,
All the laws
hasta la última pragmática de Carlos III,
until the last pragmatic of
nos
ours,
prohibía
it was forbidden
no solo hablar nuestro idioma,
not only to speak our language,
sino decir la palabra gitano.
but to even state the word
Era
gypsy.
considerado un delito de alta
It
traición.
was a law that was high in terms of
Para nosotros, para los gitanos españoles,
for the Spanish gypsies.
no es negativo.
It is not negative.
Nos sentimos cómodos,
We are comfortable,
pero sabemos
but we
que en
understand
el resto de países del mundo
that in the rest of the world,
tiene una
countries of the world,
lectura negativa.
it is read in a different light.
Por ejemplo, en inglés, la palabra gypsy con Y viene de jeep, que es como robar, ¿no? O escapar.
Yeah, apparently in English, it has a different connotation,
Y ocurre lo mismo con todos los países.
and in
Entonces,
many other countries.
nosotros aceptamos que nos llamamos gitanos entre nosotros sin que sea negativo,
We accept the term
Pero
without
que-
thinking it as something negative,
pero que la terminología más adecuada pues sea romaníes,
but
Roma.
the more adequate term is Roma, Romani.
Yeah, I think next person is Riddhi. Miss Riddhi, you wanted to ask something?
Yes, apologies for my internet connection. Hope I'm audible.
Yeah, you are
thank-
audible.
Yes, yes. So my question is there any Romani resistance movement that's happening in Spain right now? And if it is happening, what are some of the strategies that are taken by the Romani activists and the civil society? What is their role? How do you see it?
Madre mía. Existe un movimiento activista muy fuerte en España.
There's a very strong activism here in Spain.
Pido perdón porque voy a dar mi propia opinión personal.
I want a disclaimer. I'm going to give my own opinion.
Para mí,
For me,
hay organizaciones
there are organizations
que supuestamente son sin ánimo de lucro,
that are with have no I forgot what the term is, that
no se lucran,
non-profit organizations,
pero
but
se lucran.
they benefit.
Sacan beneficio de la pobreza.
They take advantage of poverty.
Comercializan con
They
la pobreza.
commercialize with poverty.
Y no le interesa que el pueblo gitano se libere de la
And
pobreza.
they're not really interested in that the gypsy people will be free.
Por decir esto,
Francisco is happy.
en el Congreso, por ejemplo,
In the Congress, for example,
cuando fui a declarar,
when I went to speak,
me echaron la cruz, no sé cómo
they put
decirlo,
the cross on me.
muchos activistas de
Many
España.
activists of Spain.
Es el precio de decir la verdad.
This is the price of saying the truth.
No puede ser que cojan millones de euros
It's impossible for them to reap millions of dollars
y lo inviertan en proyectos
and invest them in projects
que no tienen un impacto directo en la
that doesn't
mejora,
have a direct impact in the reality.
que se dedican a hacer cosas que no mejoran la
They
situación del
do
pueblo
things
gitano.
that really don't better the lives of the gypsy people.
¿Por qué?
Why?
Porque interesa vivir de la pobreza.
Because they're interested in living off poverty.
Cuanto más tardemos en erradicar la pobreza,
The longer we delay in eradicating poverty,
más años vamos a tener recibiendo subvenciones
more
europeas
we're going to have more years of
o
profit
subvenciones del Estado.
through the subsidies of the state.
Entonces tenemos asociaciones, organizaciones
So we have organizations, associations
que trabajan bien,
that work well,
que hacen un buen uso,
that use well
pero las
the
principales
funds, but the
que
principal,
más millones de euros cogen
but the main organizations that have more funds,
no hacen su trabajo.
they're
como
not
deberían.
doing their work correctly.
Esa es mi opinión
That
personal.
is my opinion.
Thank you. Now I see Orhan. Orhan, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much.
Aquí está.
Warm greetings here from Izmir. Very warm and nice weather. But my sister, Sephora,
Sí.
you know, I congratulate you for such truth.
Que-
You know,
que-
you said today something
no, mira.
that in the last 20, 25 years, I was expecting to hear from our colleagues or in general from the Spanish society. Sephora, I have for you a question.
Tengo una pregunta.
How
Okay.
you see
Como tú ves,
the mechanism of anti-Gypsism
le-
or anti-hedonism, I would say rather anti-Romani sentiments, on which kind of diplomacy and lobby systems we can do much more? Do you see India should get in a dialogue with the Spanish or any other European country somehow to see which kind of laws, regulations, and so on can bring kind of a uprising concerns on anti-Romani sentiment?
Él está
Do you
hablando-
think that India can play much better role in securing
Hold on a
our
second.
rights?
Give me a
Sorry?
second. Actualmente, ¿vale? ¿Qué se puede hacer tomando en cuenta la comunidad gitana alrededor del mundo para bregar con el sentimiento anti-gitanismo o anti-romano? Okay, do you need to say something else?
No.
Okay,
Yo creo
I believe
que deberíamos de unirnos
that
todos.
we should unite.
Yo no sé si soy una ilusa
I'm not sure if I'm just ignorant
o irrealista,
or unrealistic.
pero creo que es necesario que todos nos unamos.
I think it's necessary for all of us to unite.
Yo sigo sintiendo ese cariño por la comunidad extensa gitana.
I still love the expansive community of gypsies.
Para mí, los gitanos de Rumanía,
The gypsies of Romania,
de cualquier sitio del mundo,
of whatever part of the world,
de la India,
of India,
sois mis primos
you're my cousins,
o mi familia.
you're my family,
Y creo que hemos padecido lo mismo.
and we have suffered through the
Con
same,
diferencias, pero hemos
with
padecido lo
some
mismo.
differences, but the same.
Y creo que debemos de unirnos,
And I feel that we should unite,
concentrarnos,
concentrate,
unir fuerzas
unite forces,
y todos juntos
and all together
romper con las barreras estatales,
break with this, with state barriers,
con las corrupciones estatales.
with corruption in the states.
Porque si somos muchos,
Because if we're many,
no nos podrán tapar.
they will not stop us.
Esa es mi opinión.
That is my opinion.
Yeah. So I don't see any more hands. So I think with this, I would like to thank our speaker,
Gracias.
Ms. Sephora, for an excellent presentation. And as Orhan had and others have said that you have been very truthful. You didn't hold on any opinion. You just said what you feel realistic is happening in Spain. So which is very, very good for us to know the realistic position of the Roma community in Spain.
En España.
And
Muchísimas gracias.
and what you rightly said at the last, that we all need to unite the Roma community across the world and the people who support their cause, whether in India or other parts of the world. We'll be happy to see that Romas in future, not only in Europe, but all across the world, are treated equally and there is an inclusion and their participation as the EU strategic framework says for them. We look forward to a better Roma community in the future,
Espera ver un futuro mejor para Roma.
and we all will be too happy to support their cause in any way possible. Thank you very much, and thanks to all the participants who had taken time out of their busy schedule to attend this lecture and give their opinions and raise very interesting questions, which were very specific to the project. And we look forward to see you in our future monthly lectures, because this will help us to not only know about Romas across the world, but also to create awareness about Roma issues in India, which is the starting point from where the Roma community had spread across the world. So we look forward for our future events. And as Mr. Shyam Pandeji has said, that we are looking forward to the completion of Roma Memorial in Kannauj, which is stated to be the place from where a majority of Romas left India 1,000 years back. So once that project is complete, we will look forward to organize an international conference, and we'll look forward to your participation in that, either physically or over the Zoom. Thank you very much, and see you in our next events. Namaskar. And with
Gracias
this,
para
we
la
close the-
traducción.
Gracias por la traducción.
Ah.
Gracias.
A ver si me comuniqué, ¿eh?
Muchísimas gracias a todos por vuestra atención.
Thank you all for your attention.
Gracias por vuestras preguntas
Thank you for your questions
y por vuestra asistencia,
and your attendance.
especialmente al primo Francisco Heredia, que
And
lo estoy viendo
especially
desde
for
aquí.
Francisco, my cousin Francisco Heredia.
Gracias a todos, ha sido un honor, un
It's been an honor and
privilegio
a privilege.
y espero seguir contando con vosotros
I hope to continue
y
to
vosotros
count on
podéis
you
contar
guys, and
conmigo
you can count on me
en todo lo que hagáis.
in everything that you
Tenedme en
do.
cuenta.
Think
Gracias.
of me.
Ole, tú eres una fuera de serie, una fenómena. I'm very proud when I see gypsies like that.
Gracias.
Activism and the World 20 like that in 2024. Thank you so much. I love the time here. Thank you so much. I'm very proud to see gypsies like this in the world.
Estoy orgulloso de ver gitanos como están en el mundo.
Muchas gracias.
Ya.
Bueno, pues ya.